Damn, the computer thing was on.
What? Okay. Crazy. Wrong. You missed it entirely. You get an A for effort, C for execution.
Gracie, you want some more noodles?
She's like, I just had a ham sandwich.
Yeah.
Noodles?
Are they hot?
Yeah, those are hard to pick up. Noodles are hard to stir. Yes.
Gracie, can you say bye, crayons? Bye, crayons. Bye.
What do you want?
You want another fry? You want another fry?
Tell Mommy what you need, baby.
Chicken?
Yeah.
You want a fry?
Gaggle.
You're welcome.
Gaggle.
Gaggle.
Thank you. Very good. Don't throw.
No. Gracie, no.
No. Don't you do it.
Eat it.
Eat it. Good girl. Very good. Much better. Put it down.